big PBL that spans the whole year. This is about world travel, culture, seeing how everything fits together, science, social studies, everything. So we've done 3 continents so far. We're studying Europe at the moment, and then we have 3 more to go. So with that, I guess we will get started. Wait for my cue. Okay. Let me get the technology.
Welcome to our second grade PBL Geography, Life and Culture. We are only halfway through our trip around the world. Our driving question is, how does a continent's position and landscape shape the lives of its animals, plants, and people?
We learned that there are 7 large pieces of land on our Earth. They are called continents. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. That's largest as smallest.
We have visited Antarctica, Asia, and Africa so far.
In Antarctica, we learned about the polar biome. A scientist sent us slides that why it is cold there. The heat from the sun hits different parts of our planet angles. The poles are the coldest places on Earth.
We learned about the unique animals found only in Antarctica, like whale seals, and explore how they have adapted to stay warm. Rubber acts as an insulator to keep cold out and buy heat in. We also did a lab to see what materials make good insulators. We even discovered some conductors in the plastic.
As you can see, we put our hands in bags that were treated in different ways. One was filled with Crisco, one was simple, and one was cloth. Then we put that into a bucket of ice water truck where we could fill.
We did a few other experiments. We learned about the water supply and how snow and ice and glaciers are formed.
Oh, by the way, there are no countries in Antarctica. There are no people willing to live there permanently. I see why.
We were introduced to the idea of a food chain. It was funny to find that all Arctic life is dependent on krill, which is a shrimp-like creature, only 5 centimeters big.
We look closely at penguins too. Skyping of the Tatomiocytes. We learned that their habitat is ending due to global warming and pollution.
In Asia, wild, we did learn about pandas in the bamboo forest and of the Himalayas, and we can find Earth's tallest mountain, Mount Everest. Our focus was on people. The ancient Chinese had many inventions.
We learned that they
Invented kites, railroads, ponies, spaghetti, gunpowder, fireworks, silk paper, woodblock printing, the compass, and they also built the Great Wall, which could be seen from space. It has signal fires on the towers too, that went all the way back to the Forbidden City Palace. With their inspiration, we went to the makerspace and tinkled with simple machines. We used them to build our own inventions to carry out tasks.
It helped us understand that machines are designed to make work easier, and that many of today's complex machines have some sort of simple machine in it. We just take them for granted.
We looked at art, land, food, houses, landmarks, and governments of China, Japan, India, and Russia. We even listened to music and poetry. Each and folk tales to see how they explain the world. I still can't figure out how to eat rice with chopsticks, but I can write it. We couldn't stay completely away from the animals. We learned that the tiny cricket is a lucky pet, and then we got serious about the largest of all cats.
the tigers, and why they are endangered.
Wild with the animals. It has many of the world record holders for size, strength, speed, and abilities.
We really got into what an ecosystem is and why certain animals fit best in certain habitats.
My main aim for interest and effort is in games. We each research a different animal in addition to the class. Many of us got to see your animal up close on your trip to the zoo.
We discussed laws against animal poaching and ways to protect endangered species.
We looked at the food, art, clothing, homes, music, and traditions of the people. We read Nancy's stories and got a different take on how things in our world came to be.
Our discussion also covered how the way of life is vastly different from ours. In some areas, many people still live like they did thousands of years ago without the basic things we have and enjoy.
This was just an overview. We learned a lot of information and will continue to our travels over the next few months. We still have Australia and South America to cover. The world awaits us. Thank you.
No, it's supposed to be 3 drops. I think that's 1.
Oh, I saw you guys doing this one with the graham crackers. Ice cream. Like that one? What did you like about it? Oh, it's tasty. It's tasty. What did you learn about the things of Right, my friend. What animal did you research?
You can try. You try.